Good afternoon and welcome to St. Eugene School News. This is Haley Delbarelli, your anchor. Today is Friday, April 28th, 2017. Before Easter break, our 6th grade class offered a special prayer for all the students. We went over to church to watch the class depict the living stations. All the 6th graders were very reverent in their portrayal of the time that Jesus died on the cross for our sins. Dominic Perini did an awesome job as Jesus. Emily Moore did a great job as Mary. Grace McBlain, as Veronica, showed just how Jesus' face was on her cloth veil that she offered to him. The 6th graders are grateful to Mrs. Grandy and Mrs. Hart for helping them learn their parts. And now here's Brianna Newmiller.
This is Brianna Newmiller reporting. This week, the Student Council is working on a 7th and 8th grade dance. It will be at our school hall next Friday, May 5th. There will be refreshments and food. It will go from 7:30 until 10:30. They hope it will be a success, as it will determine if there are dances in the future. And now here's the birthday girl, Bentu Bambara.
This is Bentu Bambara reporting. In the library, Mrs. McFadden in the 1st grade are working on a fairy tale challenge. The book they signed out is a fairy tale, and they have questions to complete about the story, such as to explain the story and draw a picture. They also must find the different versions of the same fairy tale and then explain the differences and similarities. That sounds like a fun project. The 1st graders were smiling, showing off their fairy tales they chose for this challenge. And now here's Kaylee Delvecchio.
This is Kaylee Delvecchio reporting. All during Lent, outside the 3rd grade door, there was a poster that said snapshots of Manor Masters. When the students did something kind or respectful, a teacher would take a picture of them, and they would write what they did and put it on the board. You could have done anything as simple as saying hello to a teacher in the hallway, or doing something for a friend, or anything like that. Here is the poster of our Manor Master. And now here's Mark Puppis.
This is Mark Puppis reporting. The 5th and 6th grade went on a field trip today to Refreshing Mountain. They did team building activities. They built slingshots and pedal-load carts. They had a great time, and the newscast team hopes they have a safe ride home. And now here's Scott Bernhardt.
This is Scott Bernhardt reporting. In art class for 7th grade, they are working on drawing cartoon portraits. They have used simple shapes, and then those simple shapes turned into a cartoon portrait. Then they had to take Q-tips and get paint and dot the paint all around the colors to create color. Here's a picture that you can see. And now here's Manu Adele with sports.
This is Manu Adele with sports. Our school teams participated in the pen relays last Tuesday. The junior girls team came in 8th place, the junior boys team came in 6th place, the senior girls team came in 7th place, and the senior boys team came in 3rd place. Congratulations to everyone who participated. And now here is Jenna McLean with weather.
This is Jenna McLean with the weather. Today we have another partly sunny, very warm day with light winds and a high of 83. Tonight, partly cloudy skies are in store. A spotty shower can't be ruled out. The low is a mild 65. On Saturday, it's another very warm day with a mix of clouds and sun and a slight uptick in humidity.
We have a special guest, Mrs. Janisic, with birthday wishes.
This is Mrs. Janisic with birthdays. Happy birthday to Wabona Dandy and Tyler Boyle in grade 8, Antoine Garrett and Bentu Bambara in grade 7, Dominic Perini and Nyla Sweeting in grade 6, Isabel Rusick and Fallon Jacobs in grade 5, Mackenzie Drake in grade 3, Shyla Renee in grade 2, Azina Adeli and Marvin Wright in grade 1, and Sean Grime in kindergarten. I have birthdays for June, too. Happy birthday to Aurora Gillen and Madison Thompson in grade 8. Carlina Jasonis and Ryan Flood in grade 7. Sophia Zek in grade 6. Maggie Shelton and Saprit Suwan in grade 5. Fatu Ducour and Kayla Hamley in grade 4. Sean Murphy in grade 3. Ella Dower and Justin McCaffrey in grade 1. 1, and Richie Kephart, Noah Williams, and Roman Scaleri in kindergarten. And now here is Kristen Aaron.
This is Kristen Aaron bringing you coming events. Our second grade students will receive their first Holy Communion on Saturday, May 6th. Some of our students who belong to other parishes in the area already celebrated their first Holy Communion. To them and to all of the second grade, you are in the prayers of your school family at SES, and congratulations. Now back to Haley.
Thanks for watching. Thanks to our producer, Carrie McGonigal. This is Haley Dobro for the SES News Team.